In this tutorial, I'll show you how to drag your chart up and down in Tradingview so you can adjust your view and analyze price more comfortably. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load the chart you want to analyze. Pick any asset like stocks, crypto, or forex using the search bar so your chart is ready. Now focus on the right side of your chart where you see the price scale. This is the vertical axis showing price levels. Move your mouse over that price scale, then click and hold the left mouse button. While holding it, drag your mouse up or down. You'll notice the entire chart moves vertically, letting you reposition the price action exactly where you want it. If nothing happens, make sure you're clicking directly on the price scale and not somewhere else on the chart. This simple trick helps you focus on specific price areas, especially when things feel too zoomed in or out. You can adjust it as much as you want until your chart looks clean and comfortable for analysis. If you ever want to reset it, just right-click on the price scale and choose Reset Price Scale. That's it. You've successfully learned how to move your chart vertically in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.